Hello everyone. Today I will present an overview of Taiwan's financial market, focusing on the Taiwan Stock Exchange, Taipei Exchange, and case studies on Evergreen Marine and CTBC Bank. This analysis covers 2024 to 2025 trends, strategy, and market impacts. Taiwan has two main stock markets, TWSE and TPEX. Established in 1961, focused on large-cap firms like TSMC and regulated by the FSC. In contrast, TPEX, founded in 1994, targets SMEs and startups offering OTC and emerging stocks. Together, they support Taiwan's diverse economic sectors. In 2024, Taiwan's TAIEX index surged by 28.5%, making it Asia's best performer. TSMC and Foxconn drove much of its growth. For 2025, GDP growth is forecast to slow to 3%, partly due to U.S. tariff strategy initiatives include cross-listed ETFs and Japan and AI-based fraud detection. Taiwan's role in strengthening Taiwan's financial market. The TWSE is enhancing competitiveness through international cooperation, ESG policies, and the introduction of diverse financial products like REITs and active ETFs. Effort also includes AI tools for transparency, digital transformation, and promoting sustainable investment. Taiwan's economic condition in 2024 to 2025. Taiwan showed strong economic growth 4.59% in 2024 and 5.4% growth in Q1 2024. Inflation remained moderate and unemployment stayed low at around 3.4%. This demonstrates Taiwan's resilience amid global uncertainty and trade volatility. Evergreen Marine is founded in 1968. It's a global shipping giant headquartered in Taoyuan. Its servers span container shipping, logistics, ship repair, and terminal operation. With major hubs in Taiwan, Panama, Evergreen is a key player in Taiwan's international trade. Evergreen chose to list in Taiwan due to proximity to its HQ, access to domestic capital, and national brand loyalty, a familiar regulatory environment, and strong investor relations further support its decision. Additionally, high dividends attract local investors. Challenging facing Evergreen Marine. Evergreen face industry-wide risk, cyclical demand rate normalization post-COVID, overcapacity, geopolitical tension, and environmental regulation, currency and interest rate fluctuation. Investor demand expectation and strict global competition also pose significant challenges. Impact and advantage of dual listing. Dual listing can increase evergreen stock liquidity, global investor base, and brand recognition while it helps with capital access and reduce regional risk. It also introduced challenges like regulatory burdens, currency volatility, and potential market fragmentation. Evergreen marine stock performance. From June to December 2025, evergreen stock steadily rose from NT 215 to NT 234. Forecasts predict a moderate 4.5% to 9.7% increase for the year, with the stock considered undervalued based on its low PE ratio of 3.4 compared to the industry average of 6.9. And this is connection between CTCC Bank and Evergreen Marine Corp. CTCC Bank collaborates with Evergreen through digital trade finance using the Burial platform and issuing stock warrants. This streamlines operation and strengthens both companies' position in global market, showing how finance and logistics sector interest. And Taiwan monetary policy. Taiwan Central Bank used tools like policy rates, open market operation, and macroprudential measures. As of May 2025, it maintains at 2.0% rate to balance inflation and growth. A strong Taiwan dollar and new U.S. tariff pose challenges, but CBC is caution and data-driven. And this is Taiwan's M2 money supply. Taiwan M2 supply grew 4.38% as of March 2025, a slowdown from earlier months. This reflects cautious monetary policy amid net capital outflows and slower loan growth. The CBC is managing liquidity and stabilize inflation and maintain economic momentum. CTBC is Taiwan's top private bank, with 30.2 billion in revenue and over 27,000 employees. It gained initiative in cloud digital transformation, sustainable finance, and international expansion. It's recognized as Taiwan's best bank of multiple finance institutions. CTBC reported a 2024 ROA of 0.81% and an impressive ROE of 16.4%, driven by loan growth, credit card fees, and trading income. This highlights its efficient use of assets and shareholder capital, reinforcing its leadership in Taiwan's banking sector. According to Taiwan Monetary Authority and TCBC, Analysts are bullish on CTBC stock with targets between 37 New Taiwan dollar and 46 New Taiwan dollar, implying up to 19% upside. Strong EPS, high ROE, and the HSBC's buying rating reflect investor confidence in CTBC fundamentals and global potential. Impact of Trump tariff policy. Tariff can influence CTBC stocks depending on their effect on Taiwan's economy. Higher tariff may hurt export and increase credit risk, but could also stimulate local investment. CTBC's performance will be shaped by how it adapts to these external shocks. In conclusion, Taiwan's financial landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by strong stock performance, strategic financial partnerships, and sound monetary policy. Companies like Evergreen and CTBC are adapting through innovation, global position, and resilience. Thank you for listening.